Have you ever wished your AI assistant could chat as naturally as your best friend, instantly answering your questions and maybe even finishing your sentences? Well, get ready, because Anthropic just dropped an update that's changing the game entirely. Welcome back to UTC AI Studio, AI-powered, creativity-fueled. Here we decode the future, one mind-blowing AI update at a time. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on cutting-edge AI news. Anthropic has taken a giant leap with its Claude AI mobile app by launching a slick new conversational voice mode. Imagine ChatGPT's voice mode, but boosted with Anthropic's focus on safety, speed, and genuine personality. What's the big deal? Claude doesn't just talk, it engages in real-time conversations with human-level speed. We're talking responses in around 200 milliseconds. That's faster than you can blink. But here's the kicker. Claude sounds incredibly human. Forget robotic scripts. This AI actually listens to your tone, adjusts to your interruptions, and chats back in a way that's calm, cool, and genuinely conversational. Picture a super smart friend who's always patient, never annoyed, even if you jump in mid-sentence. Let's put this into perspective. You're driving and need to reschedule your afternoon meeting. Just casually say, "Hey Claude, move my 2 p.m. to Friday." Done. No hands, no hassle. Curious about black holes or jazz music? Claude's got your back, answering instantly and naturally. And here's a quick peek at how it actually sounds.
Hey Claude, when's my first meeting?
I'll check your calendar. Your first appointment is Jenny's school drop-off at 7:45 a.m. After the school drop-off, you'll have some time before your first work meeting, which is the marketing team stand-up at 9:30 a.m.
Did I get an email from Bright & Co?
I'll check your Gmail. I see that you did receive an email from Bright & Co last night. In the email, they mentioned they're looking forward to today's presentation at 11 a.m. They also mentioned that their CEO will be joining the call, which wasn't originally planned.
Can you search my drive to see if Michael uploaded the pitch notes?
I've searched through your drive, but I'm not seeing anything that matches. Would you like me to try different search terms? Or if you prefer, I can help draft a quick message to Michael about the presentation for your 11 a.m. meeting.
Okay, let's email Michael.
Pretty amazing, right? It doesn't feel robotic, it feels real. San Francisco-based startup Anthropic has more up its sleeve than the new Claude Opus 4 and Sonnet 4 large language models announced last week. It has unveiled 2 major updates for its similarly named Claude chatbot. A new conversational voice mode is available on its mobile apps in both iOS and Android devices. Anthropic isn't just stopping at voice conversations. They've unleashed Claude's power with a universal web search for all free users, making this tool more versatile and accessible than ever. Now, if you're wondering how Anthropic got here, here's a mini story. Anthropic was founded by siblings Dario and Daniela Amodei, both former OpenAI leaders. Dario, once VP of Research, significantly shaped models like GPT-3 but left over differing visions on AI's ethical growth. And Daniela, former VP of Safety and Policy, joined him, emphasizing transparency and ethics at Anthropic. The voice feature is rolling out beta phase by phase the coming weeks on Android and iOS, initially limited to English without API or web support yet, but that's just the beginning. Alex Albert, head of Claude Relations at Anthropic, described voice mode as an early experiment that's already proving to be both fun and genuinely helpful, and they're actively inviting feedback to improve it. Claude's voice mode also tackles tasks ChatGPT hasn't fully nailed yet, like seamlessly integrating with your Google Calendar, Gmail, and Google Documents. Need a summary of tomorrow's presentation or quick access to your Gmail? Just ask Claude and you'll hear everything you need to know. And speaking of hearing, Claude lets you pick from cool voice styles named airy, buttery, mellow, glassy, and rounded, each uniquely engaging, making conversations personal and fun. Let's see how they sound.
Seashells by the seashore. The shells she sells are surely from the sea. So if she sells seashells on the seashore, then I am sure she sells seashore.
If practice makes perfect and perfect needs practice, I'm perfectly practiced and practically perfect.
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. A fuzzy bear was Wuzzy. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he?
Amid the mists and coldest frosts, with stoutest wrists and loudest boasts, he thrusts his fists against the posts.
Betty bought a bit of butter, but but the bit of butter Betty bought was bitter. If I put it in my batter, it will make my batter bitter.
Claude's team also clarified that while the conversational interface and web search are available to users of Claude's free tier, the integration with outside apps and tools is available only for Claude Pro and Max subscribers, which costs $20 per month or $215 per year upfront for Pro and $100 monthly per user for Max. Claude's conversational mode is perfect for multitaskers too. Switch smoothly between voice and text mid-conversation without losing context. Discuss rich media like documents and images effortlessly, and even get detailed visual notes and summaries after your chats. For Pro Plan users and above, voice mode also integrates personal information sources, such as emails, calendar events, and documents, alongside real-time web search results. This combination of data sources offers a more comprehensive and actionable conversational experience. Anthropic highlighted the ease with which users can start a voice conversation and ask Claude to summarize calendar entries or search for documents, demonstrating the platform's expanded capabilities. Anthropic has also shared media assets to provide additional resources for users interested in learning more about the updates. But amid all the hype, user feedback on Platform X has been mixed. One user mentioned, "The Claude flow is a bit slow and not supernatural, but the responses are thoughtful and informative." And another user stated how he was impressed with Claude's voice mode and the voice selection menu in terms of fun and vibes, but he was not satisfied with the audio quality of the voice as it gets worse the moment you have selected it and start talking. But overall, it is unique and impressive. Quick question for you. Which of Claude's voice styles would you pick? Airy, buttery, mellow, glassy, or maybe rounded? Drop your favorite in the comments below. I can't wait to see your picks. Claude's new upgrades show Anthropic's broader ambition, creating AI that's deeply integrated into our digital lives, as seen with Amazon Alexa Plus and Otter AI partnerships. The voice future is here, and Claude just gave it a personality. Anthropic's new Claude voice mode isn't just another update, it's a massive step toward genuinely interactive, useful, and human-friendly AI. Want to explore more cutting-edge AI tools like this? Click right here to dive into our full playlist packed with exciting AI innovations. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe and let's keep geeking out together. See you next time on UTCI Studio, AI-powered, creativity fueled.